Opposing for opposition's sake, preparation and narration by Riazul Islam Khan. Have you ever wondered why some people oppose just for the sake of opposition? No reasoning, no research, no search for truth, just denial, stubbornness, and ego. This attitude does not only harm one person, it poisons an entire society because opposition without reason or truth is nothing but a game of ego. You must have noticed, even when a good idea is shared, some people immediately reject it. This is wrong. Ask them why, and they have no answer. Only one excuse. Why should we agree? Why should we listen? Is this justice? Is this wisdom? Or is it simply arrogance and stubbornness? Remember, disagreement is not a crime. In fact, disagreement is the light of thought. But when disagreement turns into blind opposition, that light dies out and darkness takes over. We all must ask ourselves, do we disagree for truth or just to oppose? Do we seek answers or just defend our ego? True courage is to accept the truth, even if it comes from someone else. True wisdom is to embrace what is right, no matter who says it. Otherwise, opposition for the sake of opposition only breeds hatred. So let us make disagreement constructive, not destructive. Let us question, but also be ready for answers. Let us challenge, but also accept the truth, because society is only progress when people value reasoning over stubbornness. Thank you.